Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you the DIY home screen customization for your Samsung Galaxy device. DIY home screen is Samsung's playground for creativity. So with this feature, you can modify nearly every visual aspect of your home screen. So you can edit icons, widgets, spacing, grid layout, layering, and even interactive elements. So whether you're just building a minimal white theme or neon futuristic setup, a pastel aesthetic or an anime style home screen, or something abstract, DIY mode gives you the freedom to design your phone exactly how you want it. So you can resize icons, overlap widgets, adjust transparency, modify shapes, create truly unique visual layouts that no other Samsung phone looks. So let me show you how you can do this on your Samsung Galaxy device. So here we'll first go ahead and open up the Good Lock app, and we'll go ahead and turn on DIY Home. So this will be available in the Home Up module. Tap on Home Screen. And here you need to find DIY Home Beta. Go ahead and turn this feature on. Now I'll press Home. And now let's just say I want to go ahead and create a home screen for my Samsung Galaxy device. So first I'll go ahead and choose a wallpaper. So I'll go ahead and find this app called Glass Widget. From here, I'll go ahead and find a wallpaper. I'll go ahead and choose that one that has kind of a lines, so I can basically properly align all my icons and my widgets. So I'll use this. We'll go ahead and set this for our home screen. Now once that's done, we'll go ahead and create a new one. So this is the wallpaper which we're going to create. Then I'll press Home. So now we have an empty canvas which we can work on. So first let me go ahead and add some widgets to this screen. So to do this, I'll go ahead and use the glass widget. From here, I'll tap on widgets, and I'll go ahead and find some widgets to use. So the first one is I want to put a calendar widget. I'll add that. Next, I want to go ahead and add a battery widget. I'll add this. So just go ahead and add some quick settings, so sound mode. Now press done. Now, as you can see, all of these widgets have appeared on this blank screen. So I want to go ahead and adjust them so that they basically fit in between of these line here. So I'll just go ahead and adjust this. Now, once it's done, now I want to go ahead and add some icons here to the side. So I'll go ahead and grab these icons here. And let's go ahead and add them here. So now I'll go ahead and place each one by one on the side here. So now I've created my own home screen. If I go ahead and long press on this, tap on DIY Home. Here I can go ahead and tweak the location of these icons so that they appear right exactly where I want them. Now from here, I can go ahead and add some smiley faces, emojis. I can add anime. I can add any images from my gallery. I can add stickers. I can add text. So there's a lot of customization you can do this. So this is just an example which I've created. Once that's done, press Home. And now my DIY home is ready. So as you can see, so without DIY home, you'll only be able to create something like this. So where everything is limited to what Samsung can provide you. So basically you cannot add things here in the middle. You cannot add things here on the side. But with DIY home, you can go ahead and add these icons to all different places. You can even increase the size of these icons. So if I go ahead and tap on DIY home, select an icon, I can go ahead and increase the size. And I can place them anywhere I like. I can even rotate them as well. So now once that's done, I'll press Home. And now my home screen is ready. So this is like an endless visual style. You can have minimal, aesthetic, techie, anime, pastel. You have advanced widget control, so you can add any widgets anywhere you like on screen. You have complete icon freedom, so you can change icon shape, color sizes, position, anywhere you like. So this is a unique Samsung experience. This way you can boost productivity, and this is perfect for theme creators. So there you go guys, that is how to use the DIY home screen customization for your Samsung Galaxy device.